Today is a very special day because it is officially the first day of Alex at work. He stands in front of the mirror to adjust his clothes to look very neat and professional. A quick breakfast with bread and orange juice will help Alex have a lot of great energy. He puts on his yellow backpack and quickly walks to the bus stop near his lovely house. Sitting on the bus, Alex feels both nervous and excited about his upcoming brand new job today. Finally, Alex has arrived. It is a very tall and modern office building in the big city. He goes to the reception desk to ask for directions and receives his temporary staff ID card. Alex enters the elevator and presses the button for floor 10, where his new office is located. The elevator doors open. Appearing before him is an extremely busy and active office workspace today. Mr. Green, the new manager, approaches to welcome Alex with a very firm and friendly handshake today. Mr. Green shows Alex his new seat, located right next to a large and very airy window. Hi there, Alex. I'm Sarah, your new colleague. I'm happy to help you get settled in. She shows him where to make coffee and the small kitchen area for all the staff members. Alex returns to his desk and starts learning how to log into the company's computer system now. He carefully writes down the password on a small piece of paper so as not to forget it. Alex opens the email inbox and reads the first instructions from the company's Human Resources department today. Hi there, we're introducing a new feature where I can read this aloud in a natural, human-like voice. The work project is going really well.
I know, it's so exciting to see it all come together.
And these sandwiches are delicious. This was a great idea for lunch. I've really been enjoying hiking on the weekends. It's great to get out of the city.
Oh, that sounds lovely. I've been trying out urban gardening on my balcony. It's challenging but fun.
Alex feels much more comfortable after chatting with his new colleagues during the relaxing lunch break today. In the afternoon, Alex attends a short meeting to hear about the upcoming work plans and goals. He attentively writes down the main points in his notebook so that he can remember them carefully. The phone on the desk rings. Alex picks up and answers in a very polite and professional voice. Hello. By 3 o'clock, Alex feels a bit tired, so he stands up to stretch and recharge energy. He goes into the kitchen to get a glass of filtered water and eats a fresh apple. Alex helps Sarah carry some heavy documents to the storage room at the end of the hallway. The printer suddenly got jammed. Alex tried to fix it himself by pulling out the jammed paper. Alex feels very happy because he helped everyone and received a thank you from Sarah for his effort.
Thank you so much, Alex.
Alex looks at the wall clock and realizes that it is almost 5 o'clock in the afternoon now. He finishes his final work of the day and saves all the data into the computer system. Mr. Green walks by and praises Alex for doing a very good job on this first day. Alex tidies his desk, arranging pens and papers very neatly before he leaves the office for home. Goodbye, Sarah. I'm heading home now. Alex steps out of the building, feeling the cool evening breeze after a long day of work. While waiting for the bus, he reflects on the new things he has learned during the day. Alex arrives home, feeling a bit tired but very satisfied with his first day of work today. He calls his parents to tell them about his new job and his very kind office colleagues. Alex goes to bed early to prepare for another great working day starting tomorrow morning at work.